When I started in 2021, we were ready to begin the exhibit design process for the museum so that we could fully open to the public for the first time in 16, 17 years. And it's been a really long project, but it's now starting to come to fruition. Welcome to the Weapons Gallery will be, I think, one of the most popular areas for the museum. We have a very large collection. I believe it's around 900, and it's one of the largest publicly available weapons collections west of the Mississippi. And the fabricators are currently on site with the install of the weapons. It's really a fun and interesting process. They have created these large templates of each of our weapons that they can post on to each of the display cases before they start drilling. And they're creating special brass mounts for each of the weapons, and they will place those mounts, they will drill, they will remove the templates, and then they will install the weapons. And in some cases, they're even matching the paint color to the weapon itself. Part of this process too has been a massive labeling, and each artifact should have its own object number positioned onto it so that everything is easily identifiable. This is just the beginning, and it's really, I'm getting goosebumps thinking about it because it's just so exciting that this is finally happening, and I'm getting emotional. So it's really exciting, and I can't wait to share it with everybody. I can't wait to share it with OMD. I can't wait to share it with the state. I can't wait to share it with everyone who decides to come to our facility.